Hi guys, welcome to Food Menu channel. How are you? Today I am going to show you very delicious dinner with extra ingredients. It is extraordinary recipe. Don't skip this video. Now take warm milk, half cup. Milk should be warm only. Do not overheat. Add 2 teaspoons of activist and 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix well until sugar dissolves. Then keep aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it should be well fermented. And add 300 grams of all-purpose flour or bread flour and half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use sunflower oil or olive oil. Other peanut oil or sesame oil not good for this in this dish. Mix the dough until soft. It will take 6 to 7 minutes time to knead. Once it's softened, grease a half teaspoon of oil to vessel and put the dough in the vessel. Apply oil to outside the dough and wrap it. Keep this vessel in warm place. Temperature should be above 30 degrees Celsius. I'm going to add 200 grams of washed potato and 120 ml of water. Then cook until 2 to 3 whistles. Our dough is very well fermented. It's doubled. Release the gas. Then again knead the dough until very soft. I am going here 2 times fermented. It will take time 4 to 5 minutes or 5 to 6 minutes to knead the dough. Then only it will be soft after bake. Cut into 8 divided parts. Apply the parchment paper to mold and take 30 grams of unsalted butter and cut into 8 parts. Each part should be 2 to 3 grams of butter. Then knead again the dough balls. Make all the balls. And take each ball and spread evenly. Then put 1 cube of butter. Keep the butter in refrigerator before using. Keep it in 30 minutes in refrigerator. Then close the dough. Then keep it in the mold. Do all the balls. If you don't have butter, you can skip this step. But if you add butter, it will be tasty and healthy also. And again ferment, wrap it and ferment for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's doubled. Apply oil or milk. If you apply oil, it will give good color and top side crispy, a little bit crispy. If you apply milk, it will be soft. And bake 40 minutes on low to medium flame. And wash required vegetables. I am using here capsicum, carrot, beetroot, each one, and 200 grams of onion, 200 grams of tomato, and already boiled potato, and this much of coriander. After 40 minutes, it's baked with very good color and very soft. Close with the cloth and keep aside until cool down. And take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of cumin. Roast until aromatic and transfer to a plate. And add 3 bay leaves and 2 green cardamom, 2 inch of cinnamon and 10 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Roast on low flame. When it turns aromatic, then transfer to a plate. And add 10 Kashmiri red chilli. Fry well. If it is warm, then transfer to a bowl, to a plate, and add 20 to 30 grams of butter, and add 1 teaspoon of cumin, and add 200 grams of nicely chopped onion. Stir continuously until onion color changes. And add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir continuously until raw smell goes away. Then add nicely chopped all vegetables, capsicum, carrot, beetroot, and tomato, and green chili. This is very spicy because I kept it half of the green chili and boiled potato. Mix well and add 120 ml of water. Mix once again and add required salt. I am using here 2 teaspoons of salt. If not enough, at the end we can add the salt and transfer the fried ingredients and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of amchur powder, then grind coarsely and immediately transfer to a bottle, otherwise we can lose aromatic. After 15 minutes, mash the all vegetables with masher. If it is too thick, you can add half cup of water. I am going to add half cup of water. Then mix. Curry should be this consistency and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala already we prepared and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Mix well and now I am going to add very rich and very tasty ingredient of 100 grams of paneer. Grate the paneer or you can cut into small pieces, that is as your wish, and mix well. Cook 1 or 2 minutes, then add coriander, fresh coriander. If you have lemon juice, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. I don't have lemon juice, so that's why I'm adding 1 tablespoon of amchur powder here instead of lemon juice. Now stove off, then grate the 1 cube of cheese. It will give extra taste to our dish. The curry heat is enough to melt the cheese. Leave it as well as and sprinkle some coriander, then keep aside. Our bread also ready now. Very soft bread, very tasty. It have butter smell or ghee smell we can enjoy. You can eat this bread as well as or with some sauce or jam or milk or any salads. It will be very tasty. And take a pan on the stove, then add 2 to 3 grams of butter and sprinkle 1 pinch of chili powder, 2 pinch of pav bhaji masala and some coriander leaves. Then just fry 1 or 2 minutes on two sides of the bread. It will absorb the all masalas. Then serving it will be taste. And put some chopped onions on the plate and fried masala bread and curry, cheesy paneer bhaaji. Sprinkle some coriander and put some 3 to 4 grams of butter. Enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, do it and like share, comment and subscribe my channel for more delicious videos. Now I am eating. It is very delicious. Everyone can do this with homemade ingredients. It is very tasty. We can buy this with more money on the outside. We can prepare for 4 to 5 members at home only. Thank you for watching.